Hey everyone, good evening, and welcome to the first webinar series of product feature launches on SmartBiz by Amazon. We are thrilled to see all of you joining us this evening, and thank you for taking out time. Um, we are as much thrilled to also showcase all the feature launches that we've been working on, and we will walk you them through various demos today, and we'll also help answer some of the questions that you've been asking us through various channels and forums. Before we start this webinar, I would like to share three important points with all of you today. The first is that we will be primarily using English language during this demo, and in case anybody would like us to try and replicate in Hindi, we will also do the same. Feel free to add your questions over the chat window or suggestions, and we'll try and accommodate them. Secondly, we will also be recording this session for the benefit of all of you, so that you can reference this later in some point of time, and walk through again in case there are questions. Uh, uh, if you feel that there are other things that you can add, just please let us know in the chat window. Thirdly, we also have four speakers who will be walking us through six new feature launches, which all of you have been asking us about. Each speaker will take approximately 10 to 15 minutes, and we'll take 5 minutes break after each speaker lecture to just answer your questions. In case there are questions that arise during the demo, feel free to drop them in the chat window. We will collate them and also try and answer them during the Q&A session. All right. Uh, Quickly moving forward, we will go towards the agenda. So the agenda for today is, like I said, six new feature launches. The first one being themes. So we have come up with a new theme template which will allow you to edit and customize the website as per your style and liking. We've also added many color templates and customizations where you can edit and move around text boxes, which one of our speaker, Komal, will walk you through. Secondly, we also have custom categories. Custom categories is where you can define the category on your website and also upload images as per your own need. Earlier, we had static category names and images. Now we've made it absolutely customized. So it'll help you also share your brand story as people visit your website. Thirdly, we'll be talking about collections, which is a group of products basis themes and similar styles or groupings. For example, like a summer collection, we will walk through that as well. Fourthly, bulk upload. Bulk upload feature is basically allowing you to upload all your products in one go using a easy Excel template. We've done some modifications also, which will allow you to do easy actions instead of uploading one by one. Fifth, we'll be walking through coupons. Coupons, again, as most of you are already using, is a feature which allows increase of conversion on your website by giving attractive offers to your customers, and also increase your sales. Last but not the least is a very exciting feature called Metapixel integration, which allows you to integrate your account pages or stories and content with the website, and you can track and post ads for your customers and your followers, and you'll be able to track how they are interacting with your campaigns or your content and work upon improving that. So yeah, that's the agenda for today. Looking forward to interesting questions, and we'll jump right into the first one, which is themes by Komal.
Sit here. Slide this back. She's not.
Hi everyone. Just before we start, I'd like to confirm, can everyone hear me? Okay. I assume everyone can hear me and we'll start. So, as my previous speaker already introduced, right, we'll start with the website appearance. कि आप लोग अपनी वेबसाइट को कैसे बहुत अपने ब्रांड के मुताबिक कस्टमाइज कर सकते हैं एंड हाउ कैन यू क्यूरेट इट टू सूट योर ब्रांड प्रेफरेंसेस. So the first step is all of you can log into the desktop form factor, which is basically this link smartbiz.amazon.in and /home. Once you arrive at this page, आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे साइड पैनल पे there's something called as website appearance. When you click on website appearance, आप ये देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे you will see this something for existing sellers जिन्होंने अपनी वेबसाइट ऑलरेडी बना रखी है and they have been operating with us for some time. They will see there is something called as a published website. ये आपकी वो वेबसाइट है जो करंटली आपके कस्टमर्स अभी देख सकते हैं और वहाँ से खरीद सकते हैं सामान. आप इसको कस्टमाइज कर सकते हैं या फिर इफ यू वांट टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम स्क्रैच एंड कम्प्लीटली स्टार्ट फ्रॉम अ ब्रांड न्यू फ्रेश पर्सपेक्टिव, यू कैन सी कि आज के डेट में अभी हमारे पास एक थीम है. यू कैन ऑल्सो स्टार्ट विद ट्राइंग दैट वन थीम. In order to understand that, okay, how this theme will look, you have an option कि you can view the demo store. So this theme at the end of the day will look like this. Once you have utilized all the features and the widgets in this theme, ये पूरा वेबसाइट आपका ऐसे दिख सकता है. इसके अंदर और बहुत कलर ऑप्शंस भी हैं एंड ये सारे widgets enabled हैं. आप इसमें डिफरेंट पेजेस जाके चेकआउट कर सकते हैं टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपका पेज कैसे दिखेगा. This theme has been provided, or this demo store has been provided for you to help understand, for us to inspire you, as well as to help understand how you can utilize the different sections and the widgets in the template. Now, we'll move to a real life example of how we can edit the theme. I have two options. या तो I can, as I said, you can start with try theme, or I can start customizing from my published website. आप कोई भी एक starting point choose कर सकते हैं. Right now, I will choose to customize or edit from my published website. So in case of my published website, जो भी आपके sections हैं, जो भी आपने enable करे हुए हैं, आप वहाँ से start कर सकते हैं. अगर आप try theme से start करते हैं, for example, if I start from try theme, आपको वहाँ पे एक dummy template दिखेगा. आपकी कैटलॉग की सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन विल बी फ्लोन इनटू दैट टेम्पलेट ऑटोमेटिकली. आपको अपना कैटलॉग रीलिस्ट या रीनेम या इमेज अपलोड नहीं करना पड़ेगा. ओनली फॉर द सेक्शंस विच आर कम्प्लीटली न्यू आपको वहाँ पे अपनी इमेजेस या आपको इनपुट डालना पड़ेगा. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज द ट्राई थीम टेम्पलेट. हियर जब आप एडिटर पे लैंड करते हैं, यू विल नोटिस इफ यू क्लिक ऑन दिस, वी ट्राई टू शो यू कि आपका होम पेज कैसे दिखेगा, आपका वेबसाइट कैसे दिखेगा, ताकि आप कुछ भी चेंज करें तो आप देख सकते हैं कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंगली कि आपका चेंज कैसे रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा आपकी वेबसाइट पे. इन ऑर्डर टू नेविगेट, you can see there is something called the page drop down menu. When you click on the page drop down menu, you will see all the pages जो editable हैं यहाँ पे. Right now, only the home page is editable, so we can click on that. We are soon going to launch an editable product detail page. For now, in the home page, below that you can see the list of all editable sections in this home page. You would also notice कि some sections grayed out हैं, while some sections are normal white. The grayed out section, right, in order to identify कि कौन सा section कौन सा है on the canvas, you can simply click on the section. When you click on the section, आपका canvas पे वो specific section highlight हो जाएगा. You can see that announcements are also labeled over here. So this will help you identify that this section is actually this section on the canvas. Currently, this section is disabled, as you can see. I can simply enable this section by clicking on the toggle. Now this section has actually come to color on the canvas. I can also see what is editable within this section. So for example, the subtitle, this is a subtitle that is editable within the section. I can choose this announcement bar to promote anything. So for example, we've given a brief gist to help you understand how you can use that section. You can talk about any promotions, any products, any particular delivery fee settings that you want to educate your customers about, या आप कोई कूपन या ऑफर के बारे में भी बात कर सकते हैं. Example, if you're opening a new store or if you're planning to do a workshop in or like a stall in Soul Santi, etc., you can also use this announcement bar to talk about the same. So over here, I can simply click on the text bar over here and start editing. I can actually also copy paste and select sections. So for example, if I were to just copy paste this entire thing, I can copy paste as well. This is not going to take some time. You can also see कि character limit क्या है. यहाँ पे अभी 13 characters बचे हैं. If I keep on, I cannot exceed the character limit. At some point, the character count will get over, and आप उस character limit को exceed नहीं कर सकते हैं. So I can here say that okay, new customers get an additional 10% off. So I can use the announcement bar to both advertise my delivery charges as well as a coupon offer. Once I'm done with it, I can simply go to the next section. When I go to the next section, for example, hero, we call this as a hero because this is the first major slide or the first major image or asset जो आपकी वेबसाइट पे दिखेगा. That's why we have called this as a hero. And आप इस सेक्शन को कोई भी important event, कोई भी product, कोई भी collection advertise करने के लिए use कर सकते हैं. By default, there is one hero slide. आप अगर इसके ऊपर click करेंगे, it will again show you what is editable in this slide. So for example, over here I see there's a header image. There's an information icon जो आपको बताता है कि यहाँ पे image का size ये होना चाहिए. We suggest कि you use an image size that is at least 1440 pixels in width and 500 pixels in height, which is less than 5 MB, and we have also mentioned the supported file formats. All of these things are very important for you to understand so as to ensure that your website renders very well and is user friendly and pleasing to the customer's eyes. Over here, once you have your image ready, you can simply actually click on the upload component. You can see an upload icon over here. Simply click on this, and आपकी फाइल में से आप जहाँ से भी pictures उठाना चाहते हैं, you can simply go over there and access them. So for example, I'm just going to go to a picture. Let's see. Let's assume I'm just going to use this. Once I've selected the picture, आपका यहाँ पे क्रॉपर में वो पिक्चर खुल जाएगा. This cropper will help you crop the image to the best possible resolution, which is 1440 pixels in width and 500 pixels in height. आप उससे छोटी भी ले सकते हैं, but aspect ratio हमेशा वैसे ही maintain रहेगा. Once you are done with the selection, right, then you have to click on done. आपको ये दिखाएगा कि आपका zoomed image कैसे लगेगा, आपका cropped image कैसा लगेगा basically, and then you can upload the image. I'm sorry, there's some technical glitch. Let me just try this again. Just give me 1 minute. I'll start presenting again. I hope everyone can see my screen. Okay, as we were talking about the hero, I'll again upload an image and we'll see the experience. आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि इमेज अपलोड हो गई है. The next option is I can link this image. So I can link this hero section to any of the pages in my website. ताकि कोई भी कस्टमर जब आए तो वो इस मर्चेंडाइज के ऊपर क्लिक करके कहीं पे भी जा सकता है. Since I'm talking about ceramic ware over here, I can actually go to a category and link it to all products या फिर tableware या फिर कोई भी नई category या pots and planters. I can also link it to a specific collection. These are my collections that I've already listed. I can also list it to any other products, any specific products. Please note, यहाँ पे आपका पूरा कैटलॉग जो आपने सेलर ऐप पे डाला है वो ऑटोमेटिकली यहाँ पे फ्लो करेगा. However, if you have not uploaded any products or you have not created any collections, then the same will not flow over here. So you need to have something in your catalog in order to be able to use this asset. So for now, I will choose to link this to tableware. I can confirm the selection and that's it. My hero slide 1 is ready. हमने और भी ऑप्शंस दिए हैं. वी रियलाइज कि हीरो देयर आर डिफरेंट फॉर्मेट्स, हर किसी का हीरो का अलग फॉर्मेट हो सकता है, तो हमने और भी कई ऑप्शंस दिए हैं. ओवर हियर फॉर एग्जांपल इन हीरो स्लाइड 2 यू हैव एन ऑप्शन कि आप इमेज अपलोड कर सकते हैं. आप हेडिंग और सबटाइटल है और आपके पास एक बटन भी है. अगेन ओवर हियर यू कैन अपलोड द इमेज. Let's say we talk about this image. I can put any heading. Let's say discover our hand thrown collection. I can use a subtitle. इस subtitle को लेके I can actually advertise any offers, 10% off, use coupon welcome 10, or I can also talk about the collection. Next, I see there is a button, right? Again, over here, I can edit the button text. Instead of saying that shop now, I can actually be more creative and just say grab now or anything. And I can again link this button to land to a specific page. Since I'm talking about bowls over here, I can go to serverware or drinkware. So this is done. Similarly, I can add another slide, which is my hero slide 3, and I can keep on going with the process. I'll move on to other slides so that you can understand all other widgets and capabilities that we offer. एक यहाँ पे आपको collections preview दिखेगा. In your app, as I think in the last 1 month, you would have realized कि you can now create collections, right? So collections में आप अपने जो भी आपने collections create करी होंगी, whether be it summer collection, Valentine's Day collection, spring collection, etc. All of these collections will appear over here. These collections you can manage from your app. If you have not created any collection, तब ये specific widget आपको यहाँ पे नहीं दिखेगा. You can actually go and edit the title. So instead of saying explore collections, you can be more creative and say like unearth curated collections or anything. You can also disable this section. Similarly, moving forward, you have a best-selling product section. This section displays all the products that you mark as best sellers in your catalog. आप लोगों के पास एक ऑप्शन होता है जब भी आप प्रोडक्ट क्रिएट करते हैं कि वहाँ पे आप किसी भी प्रोडक्ट को you can mark it as a best seller. That is exactly those are all the products that will get displayed over here. You can again choose to change the title or even disable this section. It is completely as per your will. You have something called as trust markers. I think the team will walk you through trust markers also soon, but this is again something that you can manage from the seller app. आप अपने specific trust markers यहाँ पे choose कर सकते हैं. Okay. Just one thing, guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to use the comment section और आप अपने questions वहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं. Moving on. Highlight product. This is another section this is a new section that we've introduced. It's currently disabled. You can enable it. As it's mentioned over here, this particular section आप use कर सकते हैं कोई भी अपना specific product hero करने के लिए. हमने यहाँ पे what's new के लिए डाला हुआ है. You can also choose to show any product which is your best seller or which is the product of the week or let's say limited stock or anything else, right? So, or let's say you have a brand influencer, right, who's used your product. You can actually use that product to showcase over here in order to drive more discoverability about your brand. So here again, I can, let's say I have a product that's been endorsed by, I don't know, a celebrity or like a mini influencer. I can say that, okay, endorsed by XX influencer. I can then choose the product that I want to talk about. Hopefully, if you have an image with that influencer of the using the product, that's a better bet. So for example, if I want to talk about, these mugs or these bowls, I can confirm over here. The minute I select the product, that specific product, its image, and the description of that product will get fetched from the catalog. And this widget is ready to be published. ऐसे ही हमने और भी कई फीचर्स इंट्रोड्यूस किए हैं. यू नो अबाउट बैनर्स. इट्स ऑल अबाउट अपलोडिंग एन इमेज. जस्ट लाइक द हीरो, यू कैन अपलोड एन इमेज एंड you can link it to a landing page. Then you have something called as a featured collection. For example, Valentine's Day abhi aakar gaya hai. You also have spring collection coming in. Let's say you want to display a collection and you also want to showcase. आप एक teaser देना चाहते हैं अपने customers को कि कौन कौन से products available हैं इस collection के अंदर. You can actually choose a specific collection that you've listed and इस collection के अंदर आप at least 12 products choose करके यहाँ पे list कर सकते हैं. हमने इस कलेक्शन का नाम लिमिटेड स्टॉक दिया है, बट देयर इज नो नीड टू स्टिक विद दैट नेम. यू कैन एक्चुअली चूज एंड चेंज द नेम ऑल टुगेदर. Moving to one of the most interesting sections that we've introduced is testimonials. So I'm sure that all of you, like, there are a lot of people who love your brands, like you have a lot of fans, right? So you can actually display their testimony, display what their comments are, their their reviews have been. You can actually use this post section. You can talk about the customer. आप customer name डाल सकते हैं, डिटेल्स डाल सकते हैं कि वो कस्टमर किस लोकेशन से है, उनका एज टाइप या उनकी स्किन टाइप. इफ इट्स अ ब्यूटी ब्रांड, यू कैन एक्चुअली मेंशन इफ दे वांट टू टॉक अबाउट देयर स्किन टाइप. And then you can actually talk about what review, what is their, what was their response to you. They love the product, this product worked wonders on them. Whatever it is, you can actually display over here. You can actually tag the specific product that they're talking about so that when your buyers come and look at this, they also know which product is the customer talking about, and they can click on this product to go to that specific product and buy. लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, वी हैव एन अबाउट अस सेक्शन. ये एक छोटा सा सेक्शन है जहाँ पे आप अपना इमेज, अपनी टीम की या अपनी फाउंडिंग स्टोरी डाल सकते हैं. एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो पुट अप एन इमेज एंड एडिट द टाइटल. These are all the sections that are currently enabled and editable on the home page. One last thing that you could also possibly do is you can also drag and drop these sections in order to rearrange. So for example, मैं चाहती हूँ collections preview नीचे आए, तो वो आपको ऑटोमेटिकली नीचे आ जाएगा. या फिर फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई वॉन्ट कैटेगरीज टू गो अप, राइट अबव द हीरो. सो ऑल आई हैव टू डू इज आई हैव टू क्लिक ओवर हियर, डू अ लॉन्ग प्रेस एंड देन मूव द सेक्शन टू द टॉप. So now I can see my categories getting displayed right below the hero. This 6-dotted button is the drag and drop icon. So you can use it to play any whichever way you like. Please note, आपका announcements in Hero are not draggable and you can't drag and drop them. That's why these 6 icons don't exist over there. The minute you make a change, आप तभी की तभी उसे canvas पे देख सकते हैं. Two last things that we'll quickly talk about are theme properties. Theme properties में आप जाके different colors choose कर सकते हैं. We know that every brand maybe recognizes or relates to a specific color, and that's how we have enabled different colors over here. You can quickly choose the color and then see how that color looks with your complete portfolio as well, and then sign off on it. Last, all of these things and try theme या जब भी आप अपना publish template भी कर रहे हो customize, you will get an option of save as. Just like any Word document या Excel document पे जैसे आप work करते हैं, save as is nothing, but it gives you the ability to save it as a different file. Now let's say I were to save it as draft 1. वी अंडरस्टैंड ये बहुत सारी चेंजेस हैं, तो मे बी आप अभी एकदम रेडी नहीं हो पब्लिश करने के लिए. देयरफॉर व्हाट वी आर गिविंग यू द एबिलिटी कि आप इसको एक ड्राफ्ट फॉर्मेट में सेव कर सकते हैं. जब आप फील करें कि आपके सारे चेंजेस सेव हो चुके हैं एंड यू आर वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट ऑफ टेकिंग इट लाइव, यू कैन एक्चुअली गो एडिट द ड्राफ्ट एंड just simply click on publish. If at all you still want to make any changes, let's say I still want to make, I'm not sure about the categories ka position, I will take it down and drop it. And the moment I make a change, I will see an option ki update draft. So I can update that draft. आपने एक बार ड्राफ्ट अपडेट कर दिया तो आप उसके बाद उसको प्रीव्यू भी कर सकते हैं. बिफोर पब्लिशिंग, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट that you preview your draft to ensure that yes, this is the draft that you want, this is how your changes will look like. Once you're confident that this is exactly what you want, you can test the clickability. जो भी आपने चीज़ें इंट्रोड्यूस करी थी, आप उसकी क्लिकेबिलिटी भी टेस्ट कर सकते हैं. कि ये सही पेजेस पे जा रहा है नहीं जा रहा है. Once you're confident that this is perfect, you can actually go ahead and publish it. This is out for themes. Now I think there are some questions that people have written so far, so we'll try to take them up. Okay, I think the first question is the Hero slide aspect ratio is not compatible on both mobile and desktop version. Yes, that's actually true. Right now, what we suggest is that for all images, we suggest you to keep your content, primary content, whichever you want to display, in the center, so that आपकी mobile image and आपका desktop major content display कर सके. But we hear your feedback. In future, we will try to give you both options of uploading a different mobile asset and a separate asset for the desktop, ताकि आपका mobile as well as desktop form factor responsive रहे. I'll move on to the second question. Can we have any features like how many brands we worked with? I think this we'll try to take at the end of the session. The next question is, can we bring in the review comments from Google reviews? Okay. I think अभी हमारे पास import की functionality तो एकदम नहीं है, but what we can suggest as a hack right now is that if you can just use those reviews and put them over here only. We can also try to work on a feature जहाँ पे आप उसकी images upload कर सकते हैं, ताकि आप अपने customers को वो Google verified reviews दिखा सकें. Okay, moving on. I think we'll try to cover another section which is on trust markers. I'm not sure if you guys have had the opportunity to test that out, but we'll take you through that so that you can understand how to use it. I hope you guys remember हमने यहाँ पे एक trust marker section की बात करी थी. You can see these trust markers, right? A lot of brands, I don't know how many of you, but they have one or the other specialty. Some brands are vegan friendly, some brands are focused on sustainability, and some brands try to be more, environment friendly as well. So let me just try and help, try and see how we can help those brands advertise their special USP. So Trust Badges is one such platform where one such feature through which you can do that. Trust Badges are right now only available and customizable on the seller app. अभी currently ये feature desktop पे available नहीं है. We will soon be releasing this on the desktop. So if you would remember, आपकी website पे अभी constant static 4 badges दिखते हैं जो बहुत ही generic है, which is made in India, secure delivery and good quality and secured payments. Now you may want to advertise very specific USPs of your brand, right? जैसे we talked about, right? Vegan हो गया, या फिर you want to say that okay, I have enabled COD, or you want to say that okay, I've enabled returns or very hassle-free returns and all of those things. So you can use these badges to advertise this to your customer. Now, how do you do this? You can basically go to your seller app, go to the profile section, and go to update trust badges. When you land over there, you will see the 4 badges that are currently reflecting on your website. Okay. You can tap on any one badge that you want to change. Whichever badge you want to change, you can tap on it. When you tap on it, a bottom pop-up sheet will open. About that bottom pop-up sheet will show you the different categories of badges that we have. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपको कोई सर्विस एंड वारंटी के बारे में बात करनी है कि यार आवर प्रोडक्ट इज वेरी गुड वारंटी इन एवरीथिंग, या किसी सर्टिफिकेशन के बारे में बात करनी है, डिलीवरी एंड रिटर्न्स के बारे में कुछ बात करनी है, यू कैन इजिली चूज अ बैच विद इन दैट एंड एनेबल इट. This is how the experience will look like. So for example, I can also choose a brand specific thing like, zero harsh chemicals, artisan crafted, eco-friendly, etc. I can choose it. The minute I choose it, it will start reflecting on my website then and there. So it's a very simple process. We also have certain brands that we recommend. They have they have this yellow badging, they have this yellow ribbon associated with them over there. So when you keep on scrolling, you will discover a lot of different badges that we specially recommend brands to use. These are all different. I hope that you are able to use these different badges in order to, communicate what is the USP of your brand. In case you have any other badge requirements that, you would want us to incorporate, please do let us know. We'd love hearing from you. We have a third topic about, as we talked about, custom categories. I know this is one of the most talked about topics, I think, where, how can we use custom categories in custom images? And we have Mansi who will take over and walk you through this.
Thank you, Komal, and hello everyone. I'll be now taking you through the newly launched custom categories feature, as Komal mentioned, in the SmartBiz app. इसे यूज करने के लिए आप अपनी SmartBiz अकाउंट में लॉगिन करेंगे और कैटलॉग सेक्शन में नेविगेट करेंगे. यहाँ पर अगर आपकी ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग कैटेगरीज हैं तो उनकी लिस्ट आपको यहाँ दिख जाएगी, और अगर आप एक नए सेलर हैं जिन्होंने कोई कैटेगरी नहीं क्रिएट की है तो आप ऐड न्यू कैटेगरी CTA से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. When you click on it, you will see a page where you will be able to add your category image, category name, description, and map this new category to a business category. सेव बटन दबाने से ये कैटेगरी सेव हो जाएगी और इस तरह से आपकी नई कैटेगरी क्रिएट हो जाएगी. अगर आपका कोई प्रोडक्ट या आपके कई सारे प्रोडक्ट्स ज़रूर से प्री एग्जिस्टिंग कैटेगरीज में होंगे, उनकी भी इमेज या फिर नाम, डिस्क्रिप्शन आप चेंज कर सकते हैं. ऐड प्रोडक्ट फ्लो से भी आप नई कैटेगरी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. जब आप ऐड प्रोडक्ट वाला सेक्शन खोलेंगे तो देयर यू कैन ऐड ऑल योर प्रोडक्ट डिटेल्स. आप जब कैटेगरी ऐड करेंगे तो आप बिजनेस कैटेगरी में से कोई एक सिलेक्ट करेंगे और प्रोडक्ट कैटेगरी में आपको एक लिस्ट दिखेगी. इफ यू फील दीज आर सुटेबल फॉर योर बिजनेस यू कैन चूज एनी ऑफ देम, या फिर आप यहां से भी ऐड न्यू प्रोडक्ट कैटेगरी पे क्लिक करके एक नई कैटेगरी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. इन कैटेगरीज के नाम के सामने आपको एक 3 डॉट मेन्यू भी दिखेगा, जिसको क्लिक करने पे आप के पास ऑप्शंस आएंगे, जैसे कि एडिट करना. आप एक कैटेगरी को शेयर भी कर सकते हैं या फिर डिलीट भी कर सकते हैं. अब यही फीचर हमने आपको बल्क में भी दिया है, डेस्कटॉप में भी दिया है. तो आपको मैं डेस्कटॉप के बारे में पहले बताऊंगी. आप लॉगिन करेंगे SmartBiz अकाउंट में थ्रू द डेस्कटॉप. There you will again navigate to the catalog section. You will go to the add product section and add your products. Again, आप बिजनेस कैटेगरी में से सिलेक्ट करेंगे. प्रोडक्ट कैटेगरी में आप प्री एग्जिस्टिंग लिस्ट में से सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, या फिर इस ऐड अ न्यू कैटेगरी के CTA पे क्लिक करके एक पॉपअप देखेंगे जहां पर आप कैटेगरी का नाम ऐड कर सकते हैं. ऐड कैटेगरी पे क्लिक करने पे एक नई कैटेगरी आपकी यहां भी क्रिएट हो जाएगी और ये आपको आपके मोबाइल में आपकी बाकी प्रोडक्ट लिस्ट में दिखने लगेगी, जहां पर आप प्रोडक्ट्स ऐड कर पाएंगे. हमारी कैटेगरीज स्टोर फ्रंट पे कुछ इस तरह से दिखती हैं. नेक्स्ट, कलेक्शंस, जो कि आपने पिछले कुछ महीनों में यूज किया होगा और इसके बारे में गौरव ने आपको शुरू में काफी अच्छी तरह से बताया था. इस फीचर को भी यूज करने के लिए आप कैटलॉग में नेविगेट करेंगे. वहां से आप कलेक्शंस वाली टैब में क्लिक करेंगे, जहां पर अगर आपके पास कोई कलेक्शन नहीं है तो आप ऐड न्यू कलेक्शन में जाकर फिर उसी तरह के ऑप्शंस जैसे कि आपने कैटेगरी में देखे थे देख सकते हैं. यहां पर आप अपने कलेक्शन का नाम, इमेज, डिस्क्रिप्शन ऐड कर सकते हैं. और आपको जब अपनी कलेक्शन में प्रोडक्ट्स ऐड करने होंगे, then you can add on this add products to collection button. You will see a list of all your categories there. आप इन कैटेगरीज में जाकर अपने कलेक्शंस में से प्रोडक्ट ऐड कर सकते हैं. इस तरह से एक चेक मार्क आएगा जो आपको अपने सिलेक्टेड प्रोडक्ट्स दिखाएगा. फाइनली अपनी सारी कैटेगरीज में से या फिर चुनिंदा कैटेगरीज में से प्रोडक्ट्स आप सिलेक्ट करके एक आखिरी बार उसको प्रीव्यू कर सकते हैं और इसके बाद अपना सिलेक्शन सेव कर सकते हैं. इस 3 डॉट मेन्यू से भी आप अपने कलेक्शन को एडिट कर सकते हैं, शेयर कर सकते हैं या फिर डिलीट कर सकते हैं. आप अपने कलेक्शन को हाइड भी कर सकते हैं. हो सकता है कि आपको वो कलेक्शन किसी पर्टिकुलर सीजन में दिखाना हो लेकिन यू डोंट वांट टू डिलीट इट. सो नाउ इंस्टेड ऑफ डिलीटिंग इट यू कैन जस्ट हाइड इट फ्रॉम द स्टोर and it will not be visible in your store anymore until you unhide it. It is visible on your phone as shown in the screen. और इस तरह से ये डेस्कटॉप पे दिखता है. आपको कोमल ने बताया कि किस तरह से हमने इसमें एडिटिंग का भी फीचर लाया है. नेक्स्ट हम बात करेंगे बल्क अपलोड के बारे में. बल्क अपलोड में आप अपने कई सारे प्रोडक्ट्स एक साथ ही अपलोड कर सकते हैं अपने कैटलॉग में. आपको एक एक करके बार बार ऐड करने की प्रोडक्ट ज़रूरत नहीं है, जैसा कि DFF और डेस्कटॉप और मोबाइल में आपको करना पड़ता होगा. इस फीचर को यूज़ करने के लिए आप डेस्कटॉप पे लॉगिन करेंगे, कैटलॉग सेक्शन पे मूव करेंगे. आपको टॉप राइट कॉर्नर पे यू विल सी अ बल्क एक्शंस CTA. व्हेन यू क्लिक ऑन इट यू विल सी अ बल्क अपलोड एंड अ बल्क एडिट ऑप्शन. तो अगर आपको एडिट करना है तो आप एडिट वाले बटन पे क्लिक करके वहां से अपने प्रोडक्ट्स एडिट कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पर हम दिखाएंगे कि कैसे आप अपने प्रोडक्ट्स अपलोड कर सकते हैं. तो आपके पास एक पॉपअप आएगा जिससे कि आप डाउनलोड पे क्लिक करेंगे तो आपकी एक टेम्पलेट फाइल डाउनलोड हो जाएगी. In this file, you will have two tabs. One will be an instructions tab, wherein you will be able to see description and the details of updating each and every column. जब आप अपडेट टेम्पलेट पे आएंगे तो आपको जैसे कि आपकी ऐप पर ढेर सारे ऑप्शंस दिखते हैं अपनी प्रोडक्ट की डिटेल डालने के लिए, वो आपको यहाँ पर कॉलम्स में दिखेगा. तो आप अपनी डिटेल्स डाल सकते हैं. यहाँ पर हमने एक रीसेंट चेंज किया है. आप बिजनेस कैटेगरी में ड्रॉप डाउन से एक बिजनेस कैटेगरी सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. प्रोडक्ट कैटेगरी हमने फ्री फील्ड करी है, जिससे कि आप यहाँ पर टाइप कर सकते हैं अपने प्रोडक्ट का, अपनी प्रोडक्ट कैटेगरी का नाम. अब आपको यहाँ पर एक चीज आई विल रिक्वेस्ट यू टू टेक केयर कि आप अगर कैपिटल केसेस में या फिर स्मॉल केसेस में कैटेगरी क्रिएट करते हैं तो वो अलग अलग कैटेगरी क्रिएट होंगी. आप बाकी सारी डिटेल्स ऐड करके उस टेम्पलेट को अपलोड कर सकते हैं और कंटिन्यू पे क्लिक करिए, जिसके बाद योर प्रोडक्ट्स विल बी अपलोडेड. और अगर किसी प्रोडक्ट में एरर आता है, अगर वो नहीं अपलोड हो पाते हैं, तो there you will see this kind of message जहां पर it will show कि we have found errors in 2 products. You can download this file and see what exactly was the problem in uploading those 2 products. आप उसे सही करके फिर से फाइल अपलोड कर सकते हैं. आपका अपलोड जब सक्सेसफुल हो जाएगा तो आपको इस तरह का एक मैसेज दिखेगा और इस तरह से आप बल्क अपलोड कर सकते हैं. Now we'll be taking questions later on. I can take a few questions right now. Any questions? मैं क्वेश्चन देख रही हूँ कि हाय रश्मि, थैंक्स फॉर द क्वेश्चन. बल्क अपलोड में आप इमेज नहीं, आपको इमेज का URL जनरेट करके अपलोड करना होगा. तो आप ये इमेज का URL जनरेट काफ़ी सारे टूल्स यूज़ करके कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि इमगर, पोस्ट इमेजेस या फिर ड्रॉपबॉक्स. यहाँ पर आप जाएंगे तो अपनी प्रोडक्ट की इमेज अपलोड करेंगे, वहाँ से एक URL जनरेट होगा जो कि आप यहाँ पर अपलोड कर सकते हैं. Thanks everyone. Now Chetna will be taking over to walk you through the coupons experience. Thank you.
Hi everybody. So one of the major strategies that we could use to increase conversion on our website, like you can use it for your website, are basically giving special discounts to our customers. And हमारे customers को discounts पसंद है, and discounts देने का way is through coupons. So basically we can create coupons दो type के, एक percentage discount coupons और दूसरा flat discount coupons. So percentage discount coupons create करने के लिए we go to the profile section. आप अपने SmartBiz app के profile section पे जाओगे, वहाँ पे आप कूपन्स पे क्लिक करोगे, देन आपको एक डैशबोर्ड दिखेगा जिसपे 3 टाइप्स ऑफ ऑप्शंस होंगे, एक्टिव, येट टू स्टार्ट एंड एक्सपायर्ड। और ये जब आप कूपन सेट कर लोगे तो यहाँ पे आपके एक्टिव, येट टू स्टार्ट या एक्सपायर्ड कूपन्स दिखाई देंगे। उसमें जो सबसे नीचे क्रिएट न्यू ऑफर है उस पे हम क्लिक करेंगे। उसके बाद व्हेन वी आर क्रिएटिंग परसेंटेज डिस्काउंट कूपन्स, तो हम परसेंटेज डिस्काउंट कूपन्स पे क्लिक करेंगे। उसके बाद का स्टेप है, जब हम उस पे क्लिक करते हैं तो एक विंडो खुल के आती है जिसपे हमें उसका ऑफर नेम डालना है, जो कूपन नेम होगा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिवाली धमाका या सितंबर सेल या समर सेल, ऐसे करके हम कूपन नेम डालते हैं। एंड कूपन कोड वो होगा जो कस्टमर्स यूज करेंगे चेकआउट पे, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल सितंबर 10 या दिवाली 25, जो कस्टमर्स जब आप वो चेकआउट कर रहे होंगे वेबसाइट से तो वो यूज करेंगे सो दैट उनको ये कूपन का डिस्काउंट मिले। उसके बाद वंस वी चेक और हम ये दोनों चीजें कूपन नेम और कूपन कोड अपडेट कर देंगे, देन हम कूपन डिटेल्स एंटर करेंगे कि कितने परसेंटेज ऑफ डिस्काउंट हम ऑफर कर रहे हैं एंड उसका मिनिमम परचेज अमाउंट भी। सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हमें 500 के परचेज के ऊपर डिस्काउंट देना है ऑफ 10%, तो हम लोग परसेंटेज पे 10% डालेंगे और मिनिमम परचेज अमाउंट पे 500 डालेंगे। तो 500 से नीचे की जो भी शॉपिंग करेंगे वो लोग को ये डिस्काउंट कूपन नहीं उनके लिए अवेल हो पाएगा। जो 500 से ऊपर की शॉपिंग करेंगे उनके पास ये 10% डिस्काउंट का ये कूपन अवेल हो पाएगा। एक बार ये कर दिया, उसमें हम मैक्सिमम डिस्काउंट अमाउंट भी सेट कर सकते हैं कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल इससे ज्यादा अमाउंट का डिस्काउंट हम नहीं देंगे, तो यहाँ पे आप वो मैक्सिमम अमाउंट भी डाल सकते हो। एंड आप ये भी सेलेक्ट कर सकते हो दैट हाउ मेनी टाइम्स अ कस्टमर कैन यूज दिस कूपन, तो आप उसका यूजेज लिमिट भी वहाँ पे सेट कर सकते हो। उसके बाद आप डिटेल्स पे जाओगे, डिटेल्स पे आप स्टार्ट और एंड डेट स्टार्ट करोगे। सो फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपका दिवाली धमाका वाला कूपन है तो वो दिवाली वीक के लिए या दिवाली के पहले वाले वीक के लिए होगा, तो आप उसका स्टार्ट डेट और एंड डेट डालोगे, वो सेट करोगे। एंड जिस भी कस्टमर के लिए आपको ये वैलिड करना है, वो जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आप फर्स्ट टाइम कस्टमर्स के लिए कर रहे हो कि आपके कस्टमर्स को ही आपकी वेबसाइट फर्स्ट टाइम विजिट कर रही है, उसके लिए अगर आप ये स्टार्ट कर रहे हो तो अकॉर्डिंगली यू कैन चूज योर कस्टमर्स। उसके बाद आप प्रीव्यू करोगे, आप प्रीव्यू करके देख पाओगे कि आपने क्या कौन सा कूपन क्रिएट किया है। एंड देन वंस एक बार वो क्रिएट हो गया, कूपन्स कांट बी एडिटेड, लाइक, और एक बार वो लाइव हो गया तो वो एडिट नहीं हो सकता। तो जस्ट बी केयरफुल जब आप वो कूपन लाइव करोगे। दिस इज हाउ यू क्रिएट अ परसेंटेज डिस्काउंट कूपन। दूसरा है फ्लैट डिस्काउंट कूपन। सो जब हमने वहां पे सेलेक्ट किया था आफ्टर सेलेक्टिंग कूपन्स परसेंटेज डिस्काउंट कूपन्स, उसका वो प्रोसेस था। अगर हमको फ्लैट डिस्काउंट कूपन करना है, फ्लैट डिस्काउंट फॉर एग्जांपल 250 ऑफ बाय यूजिंग अ सर्टेन कूपन कोड फॉर एवरीबडी विच इज यूनिफॉर्म फॉर एवरीबडी, उसके लिए हम ये स्टेप्स करेंगे। वी विल क्लिक ऑन फ्लैट अमाउंट डिस्काउंट एंड देन उसके बाद वी विल क्रिएट सिमिलरली वी क्रिएट कूपन नेम एंड कूपन कोड, जैसे सिमिलरली जैसे हमने परसेंटेज डिस्काउंट कूपन पे किया था। उसके बाद वंस दिस इज डन हम प्रीव्यू करेंगे एंड इसमें भी फिर हम डिस्काउंट अमाउंट डालेंगे। सो फॉर एग्जांपल मिनिमम परचेज पे हमें कितना डिस्काउंट देना है, 500 की परचेज पे हमें 50 अमाउंट का डिस्काउंट देना है, तो वो एंटर करेंगे। इस पे भी आप सिमिलर यूजेज लिमिट डालोगे, डेट डालोगे, जैसे स्टार्ट और एंड डेट आपको कब तक ये वैलिड रखना है फॉर कस्टमर्स, टाइप ऑफ कस्टमर्स सेलेक्ट करोगे किन के लिए वैलिड रखना है ये, एंड देन आप नेक्स्ट करोगे। उसके बाद यू कैन सी वो प्रीव्यू करके आप एक बार देख सकते हो कि आपने कौन सा कूपन क्रिएट किया है। एंड अगेन आफ्टर दिस यू कैन शेयर द कूपन एज वेल। You can click on share coupon and then you can share it on WhatsApp or your like customer community or whatever way you share your links with your customers. आप अपने social media पे भी share कर सकते हो, and this is you can use this button to share the coupons. So basically these like all the coupons you've created will be visible on your homepage, website homepage, and your customers checkout page. Do we have any questions regarding coupons? So we'll move ahead now to Daryl will take it up.
Thanks, Chetna, for taking us through that. The experience was great. Hi guys, I'm Daryl. Thanks for joining in today with us. This is the last section of today's uh, webinar where we'll be taking you through the process of setting up a Metapixel. A couple of you guys have requested for this feature in the past, and we're really proud to launch this. It's a very simple experience that we have built for you. हम क्या करेंगे first, my assumption is a lot of people know how to run ads and have created pixel in the past, but उन लोगों के लिए जिसने मेटा पिक्सल या मेटा एड्स कभी रन नहीं किए हैं, and to understand how does pixel work, we'll just take a step back and I'll show you how to create a pixel and then how to link it with your SmartBiz website, and how to run ads as well. Not the part where to actually run ads, but at least to show you how you can select a sales objective ad to run it. Okay. So before we move ahead and start with the experience, I just wanted to highlight what's the impact of, or what's the benefit that you get by integrating Metapixel with your website. First and the foremost, आपका जब आप एड्स रन करते हैं तो उसका परफॉर्मेंस और इफेक्टिवनेस आप मेजर कर सकते हैं. फॉर से आपके पास एक प्रोडक्ट है जिसको आप प्रमोट कर रहे हैं फेसबुक पे. विद मेटापिक्सल यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड उसका डाउन स्ट्रीम इम्पैक्ट क्या है. मतलब आपके कैंपेन से कितने प्रोडक्ट्स आपके बिके हैं. अगर आप ये देखना चाहते हैं कि कितने प्रोडक्ट्स है या कितने प्रोडक्ट्स कार्ट में ऐड किए गए या कितने पेज विजिट्स हुए एक पर्टिकुलर कैंपेन से. सेकेंड इज आप रीटारगेटिंग या रीमार्केटिंग कैंपेन्स रन कर सकते हैं बाय क्रिएटिंग अ कस्टम ऑडियंस ऑन मेटा. इसका मतलब है कि इफ देयर आर पीपल हु हैव विजिटेड योर वेबसाइट इन द लास्ट 1 month and you want to retarget them, or visited a particular product and you want to promote that product again only to those people to improve conversion, तो आप एक custom audience create कर सकते हैं and you can target these ads to them. There are a lot of articles and videos online. I would recommend you to search about how to create custom audience or how to run ads, to gain more knowledge about creating and running ads on Meta. Finally, there's something called dynamic ads that you can run on Meta. So to move ahead, I'm just going to switch my screen to the Meta Events Manager. So there are some prerequisites, कुछ चीज़ें before creating a Metapixel जो आपके पास होनी चाहिए. That is first and foremost, आपके पास एक Facebook पेज या Instagram पेज होना चाहिए. आपने एक बार Facebook पेज क्रिएट कर लिया, you will automatically have a business account. Business account के साथ साथ two important things that you need to do is create an ads manager और एक events manager. Once you've created an events manager, or basically in your business account, once you log in, when you click on the hamburger menu, you will see something called events manager. Click on events manager and you'll see a plus button to connect data sources. Click on it. And it'll give you an option to sort of choose web or app. You choose web and you go through the process. It's a very simple process. The next few clicks that you'll need to make, I'll just skip the process because Meta has simplified this entire approach. And at the end screen, you'll sort of reach a screen that looks like this. यहाँ पे बस आपको आके आपका पिक्सल आईडी कॉपी करना है. Once you copy this pixel ID, you need to switch to your desktop app. So Pixel integration currently is available only on the desktop SmartBiz app. The reason we have done this is because you can only create Pixel on your desktop events manager. So when you're trying to create Pixel, I would recommend you to visit the business manager on your desktop and not mobile. Come to this tab called growth. Once you've copied your pixel ID, simply click on Metapixel, scroll down and enter your pixel ID and click on save. So that's about it. In a couple of seconds, this pixel tag should be updated on your website. With pixel tag, you'll be able to measure page visits. You'll be able to measure uh, add to carts, initiate checkout, and purchase. You can use these events to run your ads. So, for those who are familiar with the ad manager, once you've integrated your pixel, you'll just have to come to your ads manager, create a sales objective ad. You can choose Advantage Plus shopping campaign or manual sales campaign. I'm choosing manual just to show you how you all can select the events that are available. So there are three aspects to creating an ad, and this is something that you can again read about. Meta has great articles on it. We'll also be sharing some in the next couple of days. We'll be publishing some articles on Meta ads, and you can visit our blog to read those. But the place where you can choose your event that you want to optimize is for the ad set. So come to the ad set page, choose website, which will have been selected by default. Come to your pixel, choose the pixel that you had integrated with. It should show up in the drop down. I haven't right now logged in with the same account where my event manager was, which is why we cannot see that particular pixel. But once you select the pixel, you'll be able to see all the events that you can choose. Once you have integrated the pixel on your website and there has been some action on your website, for example, a couple of customers have come in, or perhaps you yourself have tried, going on to particular pages and clicking, I would recommend you to do that after you add a pixel ID to your account. This section will start showing you active events. You can choose between add to cart, initiate checkout, and purchase. And that's about it. Meta will start optimizing your campaign for the event that you choose. All right. So I'll be taking any pixel questions that you might have. We already see some questions that folks have asked. The first one is not particularly related to pixel, but someone has asked to add Google Analytics along with Metapixel tags as well, so that we can analyze traffic and its sources. Thank you for the question, and we have been actively working on it. Google Analytics is something that is on priority and in the roadmap, and we will be launching soon. And that's in. So from a timeline perspective, we'll be launching it this month. Next is, how do I see the traffic on the site? So very related. With Google Analytics, you'll be able to track traffic on your site. But that is something that you can right now do with Metapixel as well. So once you've integrated Pixel, you will actually be able to see. I'm just going to close this. I'm again going to come to Events Manager. Sorry, something broke here. Okay, this is taking some time to load. I'm really sorry about it. But here, essentially, you'll be able to see in the last 28 days, or if you filter by date, you'll be able to see the number of visits. Yeah, you can see here. So I have some events that have been tracking. So in the last 28 days, because of this one pixel, you can see how many people visited the pages, all of the pages, how many were added to cart, view content. So until you have analytics, you can perhaps use this. Next is, what if I don't have a business account on Meta, but just a page for my products? Can I still run ads? So if you've created a page, by default, you will have an ads manager, and which will in turn have a business account. Business account is free to use. I mean, to run ads, obviously, you'll need to add credits. So I would recommend you to visit business.facebook.com, log in using the same email ID that you used to log in for your Facebook page, and you will land up in a screen that looks like this. Go to all events, click on events manager, and you can create pixel that I showed you. And yes, you can run ads and optimize the event for a particular action that you want customers to take. Then there is a question on, hi, it's a bit confusing to test to check if it was the correct tag or not. What I would recommend you to do is, once you, when you're copying pixel, there could be a case where you don't end up copying it properly. Just recheck when you copy it, go back to Metapixel and add it. There is a Chrome extension called Metapixel tracker that you can use to see if the Metapixel has been set on your page. So install that extension, go on your SmartBiz website and run it. If not that, a very simple thing that you need to do is, once you have added your Metapixel, just open up your website, click on a few products, click on add to cart, start the initiate checkout process. And after 30 minutes, come back to your events manager. You'll be able to see the events track here. If this is working, if event starts reflecting, that means you have set it up correctly. If it doesn't start reflecting, just recheck, your ID. If it still doesn't work, please reach out to our support team and we'll be able to help you. The last question is, my Instagram page and Facebook page are connected to different business accounts. Is there a way to add a common Meta pixel tag for both? Yes, you can do it. What you'll need to do is, so Meta gives you the ability to set up or link a single page or Instagram page to multiple business accounts. This use case was launched to help businesses work with agencies or multiple people who run ads. So yes, that is possible. What you'll need to do is connect both the pages to a single business manager first, and from there create a pixel. If you're still not able to figure out, please reach out to your AM. I can help you all with the steps, and I'll personally help get in touch and help you set that up. I'll be happy to do that. The next question is, can we directly set up product on Facebook and Instagram shop? Also, I want to know if in future is the CSM merge with Amazon business seller option. Good question. First is on directly set up product on Facebook and Instagram shop. So Facebook shop or Instagram shop as a product, I don't think so is right now available in India. But if you mean to say syncing all your products from your SmartBiz website to the catalog manager, we are working on that feature. We'll be launching it at the end of this month. We are in the testing phase. So we're using data feeds to do that. So yes, you'll be able to do that. Lastly, on the CSM merge with Amazon business seller option, we'll get back to you on that once we have a look at our roadmap. Okay, that's about it. I think that were the last of the questions. Thank you. Sorry, we have one last question. When I visit the shop URL without www, it redirects me to the domain registrar page instead of the SmartBiz shop. This is a custom domain question and not related to Pixel. I would recommend you to reach out to your AM and we'll help you with the process. There is some DNS changes that you'll need to make. It's pretty simple. We'll help you with that. All right. Since we are already 10 minutes over the webinar, and we'd really like to take all of your questions. So if you still have any questions, I'd recommend you to perhaps reach out to your AM, or if you are already on the WhatsApp community group, share these with us and we'll get back to you at the earliest. Thank you so much once again for joining, and we hope to do this again soon, more number of times, to hear your feedback and questions directly from you so we can help you scale better. Thank you and all the best.